Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this bland infographic and PowerPoint in just 6 minutes. Be sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos like these. So let's start. First of all, you have to open up PowerPoint and a blank slide. Go to Insert tab and insert a rectangle as the background. Go to Shape Fill and change its color to white. Give it gradient. Go to Gradient and give it this gradient. Go to Shape Format and you have to change the gradient color from here. There you go. Now you have to decrease the transparency and remove the outline. Now go to Insert tab and insert the shape, rotate it and adjust it to make it a shape like this. You have to adjust the shape correctly in a straight way. There you go. Now go to the Insert tab and insert a rectangle right here. Right click on it and go to Edit Points. Make this rectangle curve like from here on both sides. You also have to make it curve like from below. Move the points. There you go. Now select both the shapes and merge them. Add a rectangle right here, select both the shapes and merge them. Decrease the size of the shape and add a little circle right here onto the bottom of the shape. Adjust it into the shape, select both the shapes and merge them. Now right click on it and paste it 4 times. Put them side by side and give the gradient to one of them. I'm using blue, purple, yellow and green as the main constituents of the gradient color. Change the following settings for the gradient. There you go. I'm going to give it a purple and dark blue color. Now moving on to the third shape, go to gradient and give it a yellow gradient. Now onto the last shape, we're going to give it a green gradient. Be sure to add 2 gradient stops. Now you have to insert a rounded cornered rectangle right here like this. Go to shape format and give it a gradient and give it preset and shadow. Increases transparency. Go to shape fill and change its color. There you go. Now duplicate it 4 times. Put them side by side. Change the gradient and remove these 2 rectangles. Put the other 2 by pasting them. Select all the shapes, text, and rectangles and merge them. There you go. Now adjust these shapes in this pattern. Adjust this pink circle right in the backward of the circle of the text. There you go. Now give the shape preset. Select all the shapes and the text and give them preset. Change the color to white. Now duplicate the shape and paste it onto other rectangles and send them to the back. There you go. Select it and send it to the back of the rectangle. That's it. Change their colors. Change the colors of the background rectangles and add the shape right here. Rotate it and put it onto the bottom of the rectangle. Adjust it. Do the following for the uh, other shapes. So I have added the text and this is the final result. Be sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more interesting tutorials like these. You can download this template from the link below. Moreover, you can also comment down to let us know about your views and opinion.